Hi all, welcome to Generative AI for Testers training program. This is a structured 6 weeks professional training program designed specifically for software test professionals. So this program is not about abstract AI theory or academic concepts. It's about practical application. How testers can immediately use generative AI to improve the productivity, accuracy, and hence make an impact in real projects. So the next 6 weeks, you will move from fundamentals to hands-on execution, learning how AI can transform the way testing is designed, executed, and reported. Hope you will have a good time learning the concepts and apply it in the real projects. So what this program is about. So this program focuses on practical adaptation of generative AI in day-to-day testing workflows. You will learn how to use AI to automate repetitive and time-consuming activities such as test case creation, generate test data, improve overall defect reporting. Beyond automation, the focus is on quality improvement. How AI helps testers think better, analyze deeper, and communicate more effectively. By the end of this course, you won't just understand AI, you will work as an AI augmented tester capable of delivering more value with less effort. This is the high level program structure overview. So the training is structured into 9 carefully sequenced modules delivered over 6 weeks. Each module builds on the previous one, starting from foundational concepts and gradually progressing to advanced real-world applications. Every module combines 3 elements: conceptual understanding, guided demonstration, and hands-on exercises. You will not just watch AI being used, you will actively apply it to realistic test scenarios that mirror industry expectations. The module 1 is about Introduction to Generative AI. In the first module, we establish a strong foundation by answering a critical question. What exactly is generative AI? So you will understand how large language models like GPT, Cloud, and Gemini function at a conceptual level without getting into the mathematical complexities. So we will clearly differentiate generative AI from traditional rule-based systems and predictive AI systems, especially from the testing perspective. Finally, we will examine real industry use cases to show how generative AI is already being adopted across modern QA organizations. Module 2 is about AI foundations for testers. So in this model, the focus is on AI fundamentals, customized specifically for testers. So you will learn how data flows through AI systems, how models are trained, and how inference generates outputs in real time. So we also introduce natural language processing concepts that power the modern LLMs. Equally important, this module covers responsible AI usage, addressing biases, data privacy, and ethical considerations that every test professional must understand when working with AI-driven systems. Module 3 is about prompt engineering for testing. So prompt engineering is the single most critical skill for working efficiently with generative AI. And module 3 is fully dedicated to mastering it. So you will learn how to design clear, structured prompts that guide AI to produce accurate and reusable outputs. So we explore techniques such as context setting, prompt training, and shot versus few shot prompting. Through hands-on practice, you will see how well-designed prompts directly impact the quality of generated test artifacts like test cases, test data, and reports. Module 4 is about AI-assisted test case generation. So in Module 4, we apply generative AI for test design activity. So you will learn how to generate comprehensive positive and negative test scenarios, boundary value cases, and edge conditions using AI. So we also cover API test generation from specifications such as Swagger or OpenAI definitions. Most importantly, you will learn how to validate, refine, and integrate AI-generated test cases into existing frameworks and tools. High-quality test data is essential for effective testing, and Module 5 focuses on generating it using AI. So in this module, you will learn how to create synthetic test data that is realistic, scalable, and privacy compliant. This includes structured data like JSON, textual data, and even images wherever applicable. We also emphasize data validation techniques to ensure AI-generated data remains consistent, accurate, and suitable for testing and automation pipelines in particular. Module 6 explores how generative AI enhances test automation efforts. So in this module, you will learn how AI assists in generating automation scripts, accelerating framework development, and improving test maintenance. So we examine how AI helps address common automation challenges such as flaky tests and brittle locators. This module bridges the gap between AI generated outputs and practical automation frameworks used in real world problems. The focus shifts to reporting and analysis. So you will learn how AI can summarize defects, analyze logs, and convert raw execution data into meaningful insights. Instead of manually writing long defect descriptions or test summaries, AI helps generate concise, high-quality reports. This module enables testers to communicate risks and insights more effectively to stakeholders. The Module 8 looks ahead to the future of testing professional. So we examine emerging QA trends, evolving roles, and how AI is reshaping testing teams. You will understand which skills are becoming essential and which traditional roles are being redefined. This module helps you create a personal skill roadmap to remain relevant and future ready in an AI-driven testing landscape. The final module introduces the ISTQB certified tester testing with generative AI certification program. So you will gain a clear understanding of the syllabus structure, exam objectives, and certification pathway. This module also explains how the skills learned throughout the program align directly with the certification requirements. So for professionals seeking formal recognition, this module provides a structured preparation foundation. So by the end of this program, you will be able to confidently apply generative AI in real testing workflows. You will design effective prompts, automate test creation and reporting, and execute hands-on AI-driven testing tasks. More importantly, you will transition from traditional testing approaches to working as an AI augmented testing professional, capable of delivering higher value in modern QA teams. So, software testing is entering a new era, one powered by generative AI. So, this program is your opportunity to lead that transformation rather than react to it. So, welcome to the future of testing. Let's begin the journey.